This is what I'm currently dealing with this kitten. And by dealing, I mean enjoying every second of it. Does anyone else's cat do things like this? Like require love and attention? Oh, I tell you to be quiet when they're just done with you talking. Hi, baby. Look at how cute he is. Hi, pumpkin. You miss your brother, don't you? He's only been gone a few hours. No, I'm just a mommy's boy. I'm just so cute. His brother's out getting fixed. Yeah. You're looking for him, aren't you? You figure out the camera? I mean, look at him. He's so pathetic. You love him so much. He's so cute. My little baby. My little pumpkin. Yep. Are you mommy's baby? Are you making biscuits? You're making me biscuits? You're making me biscuits? I love you. I do. My little biscuit maker. Yeah, my little schnuckums. My little schnuckums. Yeah. Yeah. I love you too. I do. I love you too. You are the cutest little thing ever. You are such a mommy's boy. You know you're ridiculous, right? I love every second of this. You better stay like this forever. He's getting so big, like I can't even take it. But look at him. I'm like, I'm gonna go sleep now, mommy. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. He's falling asleep like this. Did you wake yourself up? Oh, oh. Oh, we're all the way extended. Oh, we're back up. Honey, you want me to help you hold your head up? You just want to fall backwards? Okay. Okay, how about if mommy adjusts her arm? Is that a little bit better? How's that? Better? Are you comfy, sir? Are you comfy? You are such a cute little kitten. Look at him. He's so handsome. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up and say hello. Oh, you're too funny. What? Did mommy adjust? Did mommy adjust, sir? You're gonna go back to sleep, aren't you? I've met you. I know you. Where you going? You're leaving me finally? Okay, love you. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi. Hello, handsome. I love you. I love you too. I love you too. Did you just miss the camera? Did you, sir? Hi, baby. Yes, you are my pumpkin. I love you. Mommy will always give you kisses whenever you need them. Whenever you need them. Hi, handsome. Hi. Hi, baby. You want to wake up here soon so we can play? I feel like we should play. Run out some energy. Otherwise, you're going to be up all night. And you don't have any friends here tonight. Your bro is gone. Don't worry, he's back tomorrow. Are you gonna fall asleep like that? I can't with you. I love you. I do. I love you. Are you making biscuits already? Don't you dare. Don't you dare start making biscuits. Handsome, don't fall asleep yet. No. You have slept all day. All day. All day, all evening. Sir. Sir. Time to wake up and play with mommy. Where's your taco, Taco? Look at my handsome man. Ridiculous. I love you so much. I do. Mr. Taco. Mr. Taco, are you sleeping? Hey, Spice City. Spice City. You not gonna wake up? No, you're just gonna sleep? You're just gonna sleep sitting like that? Sir. Alright. Mommy gives up. What? I'm just... Okay. You are so funny. You are so funny. Like, he's really ridiculous. Like, I love him so much. But look at him. I'm just gonna sit here. He's just gonna sit here and be cute. Comfy. Cozy. Snuggly. Look at that little face. Look at that face. So ridiculous. Mommy's handsome man. Yeah. Okay.